Okay, so here I am with my Blade 360 CFX 3-cell. Got a 2200 in it, 3S 2200 smart battery. And I'm rocking it all stock. It's got the AR636 gyro in it. It's one of my favorites. It's even such a favorite, I'm wearing it out. So she's loosey-goosey, but flies super good. Probably got over 1,000 flights on it, so here we go. So this is stunt one here. We'll just do a little stunt one fun stuff. And we'll just kind of stay in the box right here, get some good footage. Gyro's got really good pyro compensation. Helicopter's not made to have a whole bunch of power. It's just one of those ones you want to fly around and get used to the sticks. I think it does that real good. You can see it real well. So we'll practice some slow. Gives you a little time to think here. I like flying after work as a reward. I worked hard today. I deserve a flight or two before I go home, do paperwork. Everyone should have a helicopter, something to do for a hobby. I practice almost every day. I'm still not as good as I could be, but hey, I'm having fun. And I like my Spektrum products. I've never had an issue. I think if you read the manuals and you pay attention to stuff, you should not have a problem ever. We have really good factory support and warranty support, so I can basically talk you through problems. And parts replacement isn't guaranteed, but if you have some kind of common issue, they do stand behind it. So. But I've flown Horizon helicopters since the beginning. I had the first MCPX, and the helicopters have come a really long way. It's nothing to judge them from. Yes, they do make beginner helicopters, but as you can see, I'm flying a beginner helicopter, intermediate level. You know, I'm pretty tough, and it does all the maneuvers that you would need it to do. The grass has been trimmed out here from me with this helicopter, and you can see it looks very nice out here now. It's a little more fun than doing some kind of, job. Going forward a little. Oh yeah, it's trimming it. But this guy flies around. Someone asked me about scale helicopters and that they could do a little bit of 3D. I do think this is a good choice for your 3D helicopter that you want to be mellow with. Flies really good scale too, so you can, definitely practice your nose-in hovers and all. And I'm a little shaky today. Nose-in hovers, your side hovers here, and your tail in, right side in, nose in, and pirouettes. Fun little heli. So you can fly it big, you can fly it little. A lot of stuff you can do with it. Like I said, mine's pretty wore out. It's about due for some dampeners, maybe a new servo. I tend to doink this one. It's really strong though, so I tend to just break blades and maybe bend a spindle, but I tend to fly pretty close to the ground, so I don't hurt anything with it. So really controlled. It does have higher head speed. Here's my higher head speed. You know, it'll do pretty good. So it'll tick-tock. I can hold it in one spot. Can you? Did a really long flight time. That was 6 minutes, so this helicopter was developed to fly a long time to give you practice. So. Oh yeah, Kosho. Still learning that one, guys. Like I said, having fun, man. We're going into 7 minutes. I'm gonna land. Freaking windy out here. So there you go. It's the Blade 360 CFX 3 cell edition from Horizon Hobby. Thank you very much.